Good day everybody, this is Mrs. Venti. Welcome back to my channel. This is a grade 9 video and this is the introduction to grade 9. So to all the new grade 9 students, welcome. I'm very happy that you made it to grade 9. The first thing that we're going to do in grade 9 is we're going to do a little bit of revision. We're going to go over previous concepts that you should be familiar with. And the first thing that we're looking at is addition. So this video is going to be quick. We are just going to do 2 slides, 6 questions per slide, 12 questions, all easy peasy. All right, we are doing addition. In our first question, we have 178 plus 236. So remember that when we are looking at our numbers, we are going to start with units on the right hand side, and then we have tens, and then we have hundreds, and in front of the hundreds you will then have thousands. Those are the place values of each of those units or each of those digits. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the units, and we are going to add these two numbers to each other. And then I'm going to remove this. So when we add 8 and 6, we know that 8 plus 6 is going to be 14. So I'm going to write 4 in the units category, and I'm going to carry 1 over. So next up, I need to add the tens. I'm going to add all 3 digits. So I'm adding 7 plus 3, which is 10, plus 1, which makes it 11. So I'm going to write the 1 down, which is the unit in 11, and I'm going to carry the 10 over. And then finally, I'm adding my hundreds, which means I'm adding all of those 3 digits. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So my answer in that question is going to be 414. Okay, let's move to the right. Question number 2. Our units is going to be 4 plus 8. That's going to be 12. So that's going to be 2. And I carry over 10. My tens is going to be 6 and 5 is 11. And then 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2, I carry over 1. And my hundreds is going to be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So addition, revision, really straightforward. All that you are doing is you're adding the top down. You're adding in columns. You write the numbers, the units down, and you carry over the tens. Let's do the next one. 2 and 9 is 11. So that's 1. Carry 1 over. Then we have 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 carry 1 over. Next up we have 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 carry 1 over. And then lastly we have got 1 plus 1 is 2. 2021. Next question, bottom left. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carry 1. Next up, 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. 8 carry the 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. 481. All right. The next question has got a comma sign. This will be our decimal. So if you were writing a rand amount, if you were writing currency, then you would put a decimal. For example, this number would be 239 rand and 80 cents. When we are adding and subtracting with decimals, it doesn't really impact us. All that you do is place the decimal in the same area. So let's start with our units. 0 plus 3 is 3. I don't carry anything over. Next up, I'm adding 8 plus 5, and we know that 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. So 3 carry 1, and my decimal sign is here, so I keep my decimal sign over there. Okay, next I'm adding my next digit, which is going to be 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 1 is 6. I don't carry anything over. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 carry 1 over. And lastly, I've got 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is going to amount to 376 and 33 cents. Next question. We're adding 1 and 4 gives me 5. Then we're adding 7 and 6, which gives me 7 and 6 is 13. Carry 1 over. and I keep my decimal sign over there. Next up, 9 and 1 is 10, 10 and 8 is 18. Next up, we have 2 plus 1 is 3. So we've got 38 and 35 cents. Okay, next slide. 290 plus 693. So we're going to start at the end. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then we've got 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry 1 over. And then we've got 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Easy. Next question. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry 1 over. 7 plus 9 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 7. Carry 1 over. And then we say 6 plus 1 is 7. Easy. Next question. 6 and 8 is 14. 4 carry 1. Then we say 4 plus 1 is 5. And we say 3 and 2 is 5. And we say 8 and 7 is 15. Carry 1. Which means that our last digit is going to be the one brought down. Okay, next question. 4 and 6 is 10. 0, carry 1 over. Then we're going to say 2 and 4 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Bring the decimal sign down. Next up, we're going to say 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. 5 carry 1. And then 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. And the last one is going to be 2. Okay, next question. 8 and 9 is 17. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry 1. 7 and 1 is 8, right? So 8 and 8 is 16. 6 carry 1 over. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we bring the 8 down. 8 plus 0 is 8. Last question. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 7 is going to be 14. 4 carry 1 over. Next up, we've got 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Oh, I forgot to put my decimal. So my decimal sign goes right over there. Next up, 7 plus 2 is going to be 9. And lastly, 3 plus 8 is 11. And that's it for this video. So just a quick revision on addition. I hope this was easy enough for you to understand. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask me in class. Please like and subscribe to get notifications for future videos. Hit the bell button. All the best for this year. I know you're going to do fantastic. Okay, bye-bye.